Okay. Hi everyone. I'm the J.S. Lu Kim from South Korea Seoul CMA Hospital. I'm the professor in the Department of Neurosurgery in our hospital. My majors is MIS, especially the endoscopic spine surgery and the MIS fusion using especially the navigation. I have used navigation surgery since 2009. It was very nice, changed the paradigm. Also, this 13 the New York MIS course, especially is focusing on the navigation, endoscope, augmented reality, and robotics. I think I have learned a lot, and also I'm facing the one of the cutting edge of the future. I'm so thrilled about the learn and future. Hopefully, I'm gonna be more engaged of this kind of the new technology. This course is very nice, wonderful. I have visited many countries to teach and to learn the MIS, all things about MIS, but this Weill Cornell Medicine Neurosurgical Symposium is best one, surely best one. So I have learned a lot. Endoscope, not only endoscope, MIS and robotics is the bunch of the new technology and a lot of the evidence support and great professors in all over the world. Thank you very much. I'm so happy to be here.